welcome back to my channel. Do you see this? Do you see this? I'm wearing the mermaid shirt and the mermaid earrings because this is about mermaid hair. I am obsessed with this product, so let's just get right to it. If you've never been to my channel, I do not put anything toxic in my body, in my hair, on my skin, or in the environment. And I'm here to share my journey with you because it has been a struggle. So let's get right into this review about how I'm doing it. Hi! I gotta make weird faces because I don't know how to be cute on camera. I, again, have issues with lighting, so you cannot see my hair, but it actually looks just like the ad, okay? It actually is real. Weird, right? So this is the Deva Curl, I really wish I knew how to pronounce this, Wavy Mini Transformation Kit. Probably should have read that before starting this review. I bought this because I didn't want to invest in the entire product line if I didn't know if I was going to like it. And I kind of want to discuss this a little bit. I've been watching a lot of curly girl videos, been kind of trying to embrace and learn about this kind of thing and the steps to do it. I've posted quite a few videos, which I will link during the course of this video and sharing my journey. And it is not, as this product is not super earth friendly, but it's earth friendly enough that I feel okay using it. And it is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. At some point, maybe I won't use any products at all, but right now this is helping me with my transition. So I combine this with this to get, wait, there it is, to get my mermaid hair. So let's talk about it a little bit. The mini transformation kit includes a low poo delight, a one condition delight, and the Deva Curl styling sort of serum thing. So they're really cute. I like these kinds of containers better than the other ones that they sell, which are more traditional, kind of like these. And I feel like these are easier to get product out of, so I like them better. All three are the exact same size. They have 1.5 fluid ounces, and I got this from Ulta. So there's the shampoo, the conditioner, and the wave maker. I actually have this product in the full size that I bought way before buying the shampoo, when I was using this product with the curling product. I have a review on this. I'll talk about that later. Now, so in case you haven't seen my other videos, I have fine hair, I have wavy hair, and I live in a humid state. I don't think people talk about that enough in their videos when they do hair products. Where do you live? Does it rain a lot? Is it dry? Is it humid? Is it, like, we need to know these things because it affects the hair. It just does. So I live just north of Houston. I grew up in Southern California, and I've moved around as a military spouse, and I've had to deal with a lot of different things. So coming here, my hair is much curlier. I can no longer have bangs, and I am trying to learn how to deal with all this. I came across these products because of the Curly Girl method, and I finally caved and bought the products. Now, their shampoo and their products smell so good. So good. Like, so freaking good. I love the citrusy kind of scent that it has, and I can't make you smell it, so just go buy it, okay? Okay. So, the shampoo is excellent. Love it. Doesn't clean my hair enough because I go 6 to 7 days without it. I don't think there's a shampoo that's not a cleansing, clarifying shampoo on the planet that could get my scalp clean. So, like, that doesn't even matter. So if you wash your hair every other day, every 3 days, you don't work out every single day, and you don't have an oily scalp, this is going to be great for you. It's going to clean your hair. It's going to be awesome. When you're in the shower, I don't care what conditioner you use, if you're trying to do a curly girl and get your hair more wavy, use your fingers. So put enough conditioner in your hair that you can finger comb through it. And then if you have fine hair like me, find that sweet spot between too much and making it greasy and flat and mermaid curls. So the less you use, the bouncier, the bigger the curls. I'll show a picture from one of my other videos of bigger hair. The more shampoo you use, the conditioner you use, the heavier it's going to be, because I have fine hair. And I think if you have super curly hair, that is something different. But this is a wavy girl sort of review and tutorial. Now, the touchable texture whip, texture and volume. When I put a product in my hair, if it makes your hair sticky, if it makes your hair tacky, if it makes your hair oily, if it makes your hair sticky, if it makes your hair, there's so much, okay? I've tried a lot. If it makes it that crunchy, like kind of when I was in junior high sort of thing, that's not what I'm after. This is actually touchable. You can actually do hairstyles. You can actually walk around your house. You will be able to touch it all day. It will not attract flies and bugs. Sticks will not stick in your hair if you go on a hike. This product is phenomenal, and it gives me incredible curls or waves. Love it. Now, I don't use these products on their own, so I don't know how good of a review it can be without talking about this product, which is the Build Up Buster, and I use this as a way to really clarify my scalp. Like I say, I only wash my hair with this once a week, and it's fabulous. I don't use the nozzle how it says. I put it in my fingers, I shake, I put my head upside down in the shower, and I scrub the bejesus out of it so that I have a lot of volume on top of my head, and then I let it kind of drip through my hair. So that is my review of this product. So if you work out every single day, if you have a sweaty scalp, if you live in a humid area, if you are trying to embrace in the curly girl method, I would recommend these products for you in addition to this once a week. I think you would have magic powers. From watching another video of another YouTuber though, I have stopped using any products in my hair after the shower. I have two methods. When I'm in the shower, I do what I say. I flip my hair upside down, I scrub it all out, I go back, and then I put the conditioner in my hair until I can finger comb through it. When I get out of the shower, if I want curly bouncy waves, which I will show a photo of, I will not brush it or comb it or anything. I will use a microfiber towel or my Turby Twist, and I will scrunch my hair into that form. And then I will use the texture whip, and that gives me that really curly, wavier hair. If I want mermaid curls, which is what I want most of the time, I get out of the shower, I do use a brush, and then I scrunch it with a microfiber Turby Twist, because that's what I own. If you have something else, use that. And then I just let it air dry. On occasion, I will need to touch up the little pieces because I had bangs and they're growing out. If your hair's already long, you're not going to have to worry about that. Just let it curl, let it do its thing, and adjust to that. I part it in the middle-ish, kind of, and then I do back comb this area because it gets really flat. That is all I do to my hair. There's no product involved. There's no sprays or serums or spritzes. I did talk in my review that sometimes I use the TBD, I'm looking for it. I'm sure I have it around here somewhere. On occasion, I will use this product, but if you use too much, your hair gets greasy. This is what it looks like. Focus. And that's it. So, that is my review of that product. I feel like I summed it up really well, but maybe I'm wrong. So let's review this again. No? Maybe? I don't know. To sum it up, if you have oily hair, if you work out a lot, and if you're in a humid area, if your hair is much thicker than mine and it's going to absorb a lot of heat, I really recommend the Build Up Buster in addition. If you go as long as I do without washing your hair, I think that's very important. If, however, you are somebody who washes your hair every couple days and you're just looking to kind of integrate into this new curly girl method and you just want your wave to show a little bit, I recommend just the initial products that I talked about. And if you want it to be more curly, go ahead and pick up the texture whip. I think that you should try one thing at a time as you're transitioning and see what works for you. Because if you change all of it, you don't really know what part of it worked for you. And I did this very slowly. I would recommend that for you as well. Anyways, I know I ramble in these videos, but I really love talking beauty. I really love sharing knowledge. I really love trying to embrace my own natural beauty and to encourage others to as well. So as many of you know, I don't wear any foundation or any other makeup, and I try to use healthy skin products, and of course I've transitioned that into my hair. If you are interested in that, if you have more information to share with me, if you'd like to talk about it, please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And subscribe for my weekly videos. This is primarily a food channel, but I do like to throw these videos up on occasion when I have time, and it's just been really fun for me as kind of like a kickback sort of video. Hit that bell if you want to see my videos and come back for more. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.